Hey folks, flash flood watch continues in effect for all of the valley until 7 a.m. All 4 counties and the counties to our north as well. Right now we're tracking a pretty good shower. Not a lot of thunder and lightning in it, but you can see basically from 107 northward in Hidalgo County. Another one just popped up here just to the south of La Villa, and then the one right here on 107 just east of town. Then we look to the north, and that's what that looks like. Even Hargill, Monte Alto seeing some pretty good rainfall right now. And it's kind of forming on the back side of that, so I think we're just kind of at the beginning of what we might see overnight tonight. This is what we've seen in the last 24 hours. Pretty much everybody has gotten something, with an exception of a little bit of Cameron County. The heaviest rain last night that caused the problems right there, southwest McAllen, southeast Mission, 5.8 inches of rain. According to Doppler, we've got ground truth of about 6.5 inches in this same general area. That, of course, caused a lot of flooding last night. Zoom out to Starr County, widespread 2 to 4 inches there, and go up in the northern part of the county, 4 to 6 inches just in spots out in the ranch land. So significant rainfall last night over a lot of the valley. Look out to the south. There's more moisture down there. That's why that flood watch is still in effect, because the upper system sitting right here, that's pulling moisture up from the south and pushing at least some of it into the region. So you can see there's more to the southwest as we speak. Now here's Future Track. Suggests that tonight we see scattered stuff, sometimes heavy, pop up in places, but not a steady rain. Like today, doesn't rain the whole time, but when it does, it comes down pretty hard and it moves relatively slowly. We're going to Wednesday, same kind of thing. A lot of clouds, scattered showers, and a couple of thunderstorms, and that chance holds into Thursday as well. And then we ramp it up again the end of the week with another shot at rain. We'll talk about that in a second. 60, 40, 50, the rain chances the next 3 days, so at least the possibility each day. How much rain are we talking about? This is Future Track projected rainfall, and take a look at the bullseye out in northern Starr County just between now and tomorrow night. This is additional rainfall on top of what we've already seen. Eastern part of the valley, the projection through Thursday is another 1 to 2 inches. Western part of the valley, Starr County up into Jim Hogg and Zapata counties, 3 to 5 inches of rain. So yeah, you can see a significant downpour, or several of them, over the course of the next couple of days. Look at all the moisture. Upper level system sitting right here. Everything's coming to the south, going around it, and coming right back up. So you see the trough line. That trough basically hangs out in about the same spot. We're on the moist side of it, so we've got a lot of water to work with. Atmosphere is very, very juiced up, so it is ready. And this thing's going to hang out here for a couple more days before it finally fades away. Then we deal with this. A weak disturbance coming from the Caribbean into the Gulf of Mexico that by the end of the week brings a chance of rain once again. Here's the system that's here now. Here's the system we're watching. The Hurricane Center now puts a 50% chance of that turning into a tropical entity, more than just a wave, over the next 5 days. Whatever this is has to get across the Yucatan Peninsula first, but once it gets in the Northwest Gulf, it's got a pretty decent shot at developing. Rest of the tropics, boy, you've heard about it. Helene way out in the eastern Atlantic, Isaac in the middle of the Atlantic, Florence, which of course is going to be a devastating storm for the southeastern part of the country, and then we're watching our system closely. This is a close-up of Florence. Look at that eye in the middle of that thing. Very intense storm. Category 4 right now with 140 mile per hour winds. That projected path takes it up to a Category 4 at 155, 1 mile per hour short of a Category 5. Gets it to the Carolina coast with 140 winds and then takes it in, and it just sits here for 2 or 3 days. That's why this could be a significant disaster. Not just the wind, but tremendous rainfall. Isaac and Helene. Helene turns to the north. Isaac goes to the west. A lot of the models turn it north once it gets into the Caribbean, but all the models weaken it. So we're not overly concerned at the moment, but that's one we'll keep an eye on as well. Very active tropics. So for tonight, that flash flood watch in effect. Showers and storms possible pretty much at any time. Could be overnight. It's hard to say exactly when or where, but there will be rain out there. And then tomorrow, a 60% chance of rain and storms. Heavy rain a possibility again. The high about 89 degrees. We go 89, 91, back to 88, back to 90 with showers and thunderstorms possible any day. But the flash flood watch is in effect till 7 a.m. tomorrow. By the end of the week, we'll be watching that tropical system. May ramp the chances up once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.